This is Brady from Omnis CrossFit and Omnis Rehab. We're going to call this Technique Tuesday and hopefully keep up with that and do that in a few weeks to come here. So what we're going to talk about today is one thing that we've been taught a bunch, but let's teach you how to do it correctly, which is active shoulders. We've been taught a bunch of overhead movements with overhead squats, push press, push jerk, and everything to get those arms up and then push these shoulders into our ears for active shoulders. This is good, but we need to take that a step farther now, and what we need to do is actually get these arms down and up here. You'll notice I just created a lot of space in between my head and my shoulders instead of jamming my shoulders up into my ears. Okay, let's talk about the shoulder biomechanics here. You have, picture the right side of your body right here, your right shoulder blade and then your right arm. You have to picture your arm moving independently of your shoulder blade. They do not move together. All right, so as your right arm comes up, your shoulder blade should start to move down. And that creates this very stable platform in our back like this, instead of up here like this. That way we can carry more load. We're gonna be able to breathe better, do a lot of things more efficiently with lifting and with CrossFit. So how do we train that position? I like to use the crossover symmetry for that. And one of the drills they call scaption on there, it's great to do for this. So we can take that a step farther too. So let's relate it to the overhead squat. What we're gonna do is pull back, pull your shoulder blades together, keep your shoulder blades pulled down. As we raise up our arms, we start to right here drive our shoulder blades down into that loaded position. This is hard to maintain right here, working the stability of our shoulders with the crossover. From there, we can start working on going down into our overhead squat position and driving back up and forcing this active shoulder instead of this active shoulder. So that's safer, that's more efficient. You're gonna be able to lift more weight, you're gonna be able to move better, breathe more efficiently so you can do more reps together. Now, that active shoulder, it doesn't just end in the overhead squat. Do it for push presses, do it for push jerks, split jerks, do it from also hanging from the bar. Okay? That's our Technique Tuesday. See you next week.